Oh hey, it's me, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another instant noodle recipe time with the Ramen Rater. Today I've got something for you. Oh boy. Oh, I've got something for you. Oh. I do. You ready? This is from Bangladesh, although I got it at the Real Canadian SuperStore up in beautiful and wonderful Richmond, British Columbia, Canada. This is your Canton instant noodle vegetable flavor from Bangladesh. And I will open it and cook it. Actually, I got to do something first. It does in the instructions say to put it in 3 pieces, or break it into 2 to 4 pieces, I think. So I'm going for the gusto. I'm going for 4. That means more surface for the water to invade, I suppose. Making your Christmas ever so bright. And yeah, so alright, and I think it's 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Gently stirring noodles. Okay. Gotta be gentle on these noodles, folks. Come on, get in. Get in there. I'm not taking no for an answer. There, come on. Oh yeah, that's right. You have to gently stir them because it's between 250 and 300 mils of water, and when you have that small amount of water, you gotta stir it, or it's like the top will get done and the bottom won't. That kind of thing. There's the seasoning. And what do you want? How long have you been in there? A few minutes already? A few seconds? Just do 3 seconds. 3 minutes. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, let's make sure that I'm looking good. Here's the cookery going on. But yeah. So, man, I need to do a video that's gonna take like a while, but I'm just not. I just have to do that so I can tell you all about what we did last weekend. We went to Seattle, and well, first we went to this church thing. We're not religious people, but the church does this special Santa thing, and that actually was really neat. It was amazing, though. The church had an espresso bar in it. I was like, what? That's kind of kooky. And yeah, we got pictures with Santa there. And then we went to Seattle, went to the Pacific Science Center, rode the monorail to Seattle Center. No. Parked at the Pacific Science Center, walked over to Seattle Center, took the monorail to downtown, the Westlake, and then we got on the street, checked out the big Christmas tree at Westlake Center, and we went to Macy's, like, yeah, a big department store. It used to be Frederick and Nelson when I was a kid, and I would go there with my mom. On the top floor, they had a restaurant, and it was like, you know, there'd be somebody playing piano there. It was like fine dining, but I mean, not like insanely so. My favorite thing to get there was chicken pot pie. I remember one time when I'm guessing I was like 11. Guy comes up. I wore my hair long back then. He's like, "How you ladies doing?" I was like, "Off yours, dude." And then they would like, what was it? "Would you like the super salad?" Like, "I'd like the super salad." "Yes, that sounds great." And the guy just got all ticked off at me that time. But you could like, it was just like the most wonderful city view in Seattle. And there's piano in the background. I'd get my little chicken pot pie. It was like heaven. But that place went away, and it's a shame because I miss it so much. But what was cool is we were able to go down there. There was the Macy's Santa was there. I mean, that's Santa. That's the real Santa. Doesn't get any more real than that. Nobody was in line. Nobody. So it was just like we walk up, and Santa's like, "Well, you guys got to come over here or what?" So literally, that's what he said. So we came over there and got pictures and all that. So that was, oh, and outside they've got, you know, big old department stores were known for their window dressings and displays, right? So they had this thing when I was a kid, and this big long window, big winter wonderland with trains and stuff, right? And these spots where you would put your hand. And there were certain trains that were controlled by that. So you'd put your hand up there and touch the window, and the train would start moving. And these are like really early memories of mine. I'm gonna guess the last time I'd see it was probably like 81 or 82 when I was like 5 or 6, so, or 6 or 7. So that kind of dates me right there. I was born in 75, so that was just like the coolest thing. And I've always had that memory in the back of my hand. Just like, man, that was so cool. We go down there. We go out the wrong exit. We're going around the corner. Boom, train display. Boom, places to put your hand. I thought it was gone, but it wasn't. And Miles and Miriam got to do that. That was like the coolest thing. I mean, I'm already getting choked up about it. And I don't know why. I mean, it's like literally, it's a little thing that detects that there's a certain slight bit of electrical current coming out of your hand, and it makes the train go. But, I don't know. I guess it's one of those Christmas things. It's the Christmas spirit. Sounds like there's a fly in here. No, that's a bird outside. But I will say this tastes like buttered popcorn, which is fine. I wasn't really expecting like an immersive vegetable experience, but this should just be called movie theater buttered popcorn flavor from Bangladesh, which is like kind of funny. I mean, well, hey, it's really funny. I'll take another bite of that and see what. Let's do that again. Oh yeah. I don't know what else you can call that. That tastes like you buy a pack of like Pop Secret microwave popcorn and you get that flavor. Well, I'm sure it's vegetarian, you know. And since it's vegetarian, we are going to add vegetables today. Here's some lovely mungus beanery. And I got a little bit of coriander, aka cilantro. That's it's been sitting here for too long, and now it's getting kind of like, but God, I got it yesterday. Come on, guys. I want lighter coriander. It's always so super dark, and I've seen it not as dark often. And then, what do we got here? Ooh! You know what that is? Those are little mini tofu puffs, because I couldn't find the tofu puffs I was looking for. These weren't the tofu puffs I was looking for. So, and what's good with something vegetarian? We'll go to the fallback. Oh, that's right next to me. So, a little bit of sesame seeds. That looks alright. And then I'm going to use the Sansio stuff again, honestly. This Japanese pepper. Yeah, that looks nice. I don't know how it's going to taste, but And really, I guess I'll never know because I don't eat a lot of noodles anymore. I'll probably try that though. Oh yeah, baby. Getting Christmassy up in here. Alright. Well, hey, thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.